Just at Iron Wolf in Nottingley. Me and bro, we've done, started doing chest. We actually did that bad boy first. Absolutely mint. And now we're doing like a close grip press. It's awesome. Easy dog. Easy, baby. Seems ya.
Easy 220 both sides.
Always go first.
Easy 220 both sides.
Come in, man.
Oh my god.
It's camera shy. Mandate over. Workout done. I'm cruising back. Time for food. Been cruising. Iron Wolves, fucking mint. Gonna be going back there again. Lamis is a great guy. Ollie loved him. Ollie's now gonna be competing because it's now got it in his blood. We're gonna do this car so he gets to it straight. It'll be really exciting.
Slow. Needs food.
Car's so slow. So I'm gonna wait till we do him.
I'm Nanny Plum.
We're up. World's going backwards.